Deep in the heart of the Peruvian desert, a mysterious marvel awaits. Behold, the Nazca Lines, enormous geoglyphs etched into the desert floor, shrouded in enigma and wonder. These ancient drawings, visible only from above, captivate and confound all who dare to explore their secrets. Stretching across miles of barren landscape, these intricate designs depict animals, plants, and geometric shapes with astonishing precision. Who were the masterminds behind the Nazca Lines? Were they skilled artisans, religious leaders, or perhaps a collective effort of a thriving civilization? The answers elude us, lost to the sands of time. How were these enormous geoglyphs created? What tools did they use to achieve such stunning precision and scale without the aid of modern technology? The techniques employed to ensure the accuracy of the drawings remain a subject of speculation. Some theories suggest the use of simple surveying methods, while others propose the involvement of complex mathematical calculations and celestial alignments. Their purpose, too, remains a mystery. Were the Nazca Lines symbols of worship, celestial markers, or a form of communication with otherworldly beings? Speculation swirls like the desert winds, weaving tales of extraterrestrial communication, sacred rituals, or celestial calendars. Some believe that the lines were created to align with significant astronomical events, serving as a calendar or a way to communicate with the gods. As you gaze upon these ancient wonders, let your imagination soar. Picture the hands that meticulously carved these lines, the minds that conceived their purpose. The Nazca Lines beckon us to ponder the mysteries of our past and question the limits of human ingenuity. Join us on a journey through time as we unravel the enigma of the Nazca Lines. Peer down upon these astonishing geoglyphs and let their allure transport you to a realm where art and history intertwine, leaving us in awe of the ancient and the unknown. Embark on this extraordinary exploration of the Nazca Lines, where every line tells a story and every curve invites speculation.